But first, Kim Gardner responds. Today, the embattled circuit attorney asks a judge to throw out the case to remove her from office.
Gardner's response was filed just a few hours ago. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. It comes a week before she's scheduled to go to court. New tonight, our Brent Solomon is taking a closer look at how the circuit attorney is responding to the attorney general's claims against her. Brent?
And I just finished pouring through those 93 pages, the response, and the 40 pages to throw out the case. Kim Gardner claims only 2 prosecutors have been removed from office under the legal guidelines the AG is citing against her. She says that was 8 decades ago, involving cases of corruption. Gardner says that doesn't apply here.
Attorney General Andrew Bailey not backing down in his fight to oust St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner, claiming she's not doing her job. Bailey says nearly 12,000 criminal cases have been dismissed to what he calls Gardner's failures. More than 9,000 cases, he says, were thrown out as they were about to go to trial, forcing judges to dismiss more than 2,000 cases due to what Bailey cites as Gardner's failure to provide defendants with evidence and speedy trials. He claims a toxic environment is running attorneys away from her office. His amended petition is a gross power grab, Gardner responded Tuesday, quote, an affront to the liberties of all Missourians and the democratic process. The circuit attorney says the law allows for removal of an elected official for willful neglect, failure, or refusal to perform duties. Gardner says there is no corrupt intentional acts of misconduct or failure to perform her official duties. She goes on to say, quote, if the AG or the political interests behind his petition were truly concerned about crime in St. Louis, they would seek to assist with resources. While covering this ongoing battle, we've heard from both Bailey and Gardner.
It has rarely occurred in the history of the state of Missouri, but that speaks to what a bad situation we have here in the city of St. Louis and the necessity for immediate action to restore law and order and to find justice for victims. And that's what motivates me.
Because this is voter suppression from the 1960s. I read about this in school, and I'm like, this is, they taking it back. It's tough sometimes, but in the end of the day, you know, I fight so hard because you guys told me you don't want the same old, same old.
Bailey also alleges Gardner's attorneys have failed to appear in court, failed to keep victims' families informed about cases, and that cases police have worked on continue to wait on prosecutors to review them. Gardner says at most there could be alleged negligence, but not willful neglect.